Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get the Breaking Bad font. It's a very popular series, and if you haven't already, I would definitely advise you to watch it. But let's actually just jump right in and show you how to get the font from the series. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr. And here, as you can see on my Fiverr, you can get a logo or a banner or both for your YouTube channel if you want. But now back to the video. Just gonna type in Breaking Bad font here. We'll actually go to the first one here, the Hearts Breaking Bad from Da Font. And there you go guys, this is the closest to the Breaking Bad font. As you can see here, we have the letters and also actually the periodic table, which you can also use here. So let's just go up and click on download here. It will go up here in the right corner. We can click this and it will actually immediately go into your download folder. I actually made my own folder with fonts in it, so I'm just going to put it here. Then what you want to do is actually double click on it. There's only going to be one file in here, and that's actually an open type font file. So actually going to double click it. And all you have to do is click install. We'll wait a little bit and that's it. But now I actually show you in Photoshop how it actually looks. Okay, so there we go. I just made the background black, and now we're going to go over to the font here. Gonna make this white. Now there you go, it was Hearts Breaking Bad. Now if you want to BR, you can actually click on 5 on your keyboard. And just to be sure, in this case, you can actually go back to the side. And as you can see here above the letters, you can see here which number and which letters correspond to what's seen here. So for example, if I do 5, as I said, you get the BR. And you can also do the alt code of 53 here. So that's just for reference in case you're hesitating how to get any of these right here. Okay, now I'm going to do the second one. It's going to do the BA. You actually just have to go next to it. You're going to do the 6 here. As you can see, you bring up the BA and then just have to alt a D. There we go. And I can take that second one and actually just stick it right here to, there we go, to that one. And as you can see, you can actually put them together as well if you want to go to the both of the text layers here. Hold Control, select them both, and then do Ctrl G, create a group if you really want to keep them together. And as you can see, I put it in the middle here. And there you go, guys. That's really easy. So you can, of course, type Breaking Bad with this, but of course, also a lot of other variations that you want to type with these letters, using the letters and also the periodic table. But in any case, guys, I hope, of course, this video helped. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.